How to add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. I'm going to show you how you can add an announcement bar if it's missing as well. So right here from the left hand side, first we want to go to online store, and this will take us to the themes page. If we go to the theme that we're currently using and select customize here, it's going to look like this, and at the very top you will be able to see announcement bar here. So you can see this announcement bar, you can change the text, you can edit it, and basically that's how you add one. You can save your info here, and as you can see, you have it. Now another way of how you can do this, if you don't have it in your here in your editor, we want to go back to the main page of Shopify, and in the search bar we will search for banners, and this will take us to the Shopify App Store. So search banners in Shopify App Store. If we click on this, it will obviously lead us to the App Store, and here you will need a third-party application for banners. So for example, I'm just going to do this one. So attract bars, banners, pop-ups. We will install this here and add it to our store. Just give it some time to add here. Now I'm going to click on install, and then this will add it to our store, and it will give us the option to add banners. So right here I'm just going to click on enable, and it's going to show us what it's going to look like in the customization bar here. So we would just want to enable this, and that is going to look like this, and we can manage the application, and we can actually set up a banner through this way. So just give it some time to load up here. It might take a little bit of time, but yes, basically enable this, and then you can use it in your customization here to actually add a banner. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.